Over on my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, we're drawing Daffy Duck from the classic Looney Tunes short, Hood Daffy. It's a perfect opportunity to revisit my patented duckbill equation to help you draw Daffy's duckbill. Simply put, this plus this plus this equals this. Understanding the relationship between those three lines in the construction of Daffy's somewhat difficult duckbill will help as we try to then draw those rubber duck lips from both the left and right, as well as different poses and expressions. To get comfortable drawing it, experiment with different angles and sizes of those three lines. Then add his cheeks, lower jaw, as well as the area where his nostrils are between his eyes. Follow me here, as I will have more on Daffy's head construction and its similarities to both Bugs Bunny and the Grinch soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full video on how to draw Daffy and Porky Pig from Hood Daffy and hundreds of other videos.